Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your update on Shiba Inu and the Shib token. Wanted to do a full update on that since we have dropped down quite a bit again. And it seems like not a lot is happening with Shiba Inu right now, because as you can see, if you get rid of all of the trend lines, I'm not sure if I can do that here. I don't think I can hide things. But if you take a look at this, if you remove the trend line, we've basically been consolidating, right, in this area between 1020 and 1100. So it seems pretty boring, but I would argue we're actually going to get quite some bigger moves very soon, and I'm not sure if those are going to be bullish. So that's why I wanted to talk. That's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Now, before we dive into Shiba Inu specifically, if you're interested in crypto trading, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description. We just finished last week with a 71% win rate, have been very profitable so far. Check out the links down in the description on how to enter. But also you can see trade results in the Discord group. So what you can see right now with Shiba is that the overall market structure is still very bearish. We've been making lower highs since, technically since the beginning of February, which not a lot of cryptos can say that. And right now even we dropped down a bit lower yesterday because of, we actually had a spike, which is pretty funny. We had a bullish spike. And then from that 1100 level, we actually dropped back down, and we also had bad news about Binance being sued by the CFTC in the US. So I would argue, I mean, whether we are respecting this trend line or not, because the trend line is just an indication of the downtrend. It does feel like we're going to drop down, and right now our main support still is 1000. And basically what I expect for now is that we'll just respect this downtrend and that we'll slowly drop down to 1000. But I also expect that we will slowly drop down to 960, 950, which are levels we haven't seen since the beginning of the year. So that would be quite a big drop. But that is what I'm expecting. Now, I have to really highlight that I do not expect a big crash. I mean, we could have a big crash if Bitcoin crashes down hard. But that is not what I expect. So I also don't expect a big crash for Shiba. But altogether, the overall pressure for Shiba has just been bearish for a long time. And the most, I would say, consistent bearish pressure has really started since the beginning of March, or the middle of March, and that's still continuing. And I think that's going to lead towards dropping down to 1000 and slowly also dropping down to 950. Now, it's not only bad news. I think we have a possibility to break out of this structure as well. Now the thing is, and I actually think it's more accurate if we draw the structure a bit like this. I think that's more accurate, and it's also quite respected. So the thing is that 1000 still is a strong support level. So we're going to drop down there, but we are going to find support there. Now, the way in which we could actually break out of this downtrend and, well, at least consolidate, but perhaps have a shot at having an uptrend, is, in the end, if the market can become bullish. Right now, for Bitcoin, the main resistance level is 27,700. If we can break above that, that is the only scenario, I think, in which Shiba can actually break above our main resistance, which is, at this point of time, I would argue this level around 1060, that we can break above that, get towards 1100, and at least stay in this consolidation. So at least move sideways with a lucky shot of having a bullish breakout and starting an uptrend. But that really is the only way. Shibarium is gone. We've had that. It's bullish long term, but short term it doesn't really do that much anymore. So if Bitcoin can really get that bullish breakout, amazing. Otherwise, we'll just slowly drop down to 1000 and slowly drop down to 950. But that's my take on Shiba for today. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.